220AV is a 21-foot autonomous mower designed for large-scale turfgrass mowing, featuring a hybrid diesel-electric powertrain, fully autonomous operation with advanced safety features, and a comfortable cab for operator comfort during manual operation. With a cutting width of 21 feet and speeds up to 10 meters per hour, the M220AV is designed for maximum efficiency and productivity and includes a variety of safety features such as object detection and avoidance, emergency stop buttons, and a remote control system, making it a valuable asset for any turfgrass professional. It also offers connectivity features, allowing operators to monitor and control the mower remotely. The SENNEBOGEN 728E is a powerful and versatile tree care handler designed for efficient and safe tree maintenance and removal. Equipped with a 30-foot compact boom and a 20-foot telescopic stick, it boasts a maximum reach of 21 meters, allowing for precise handling of trees in various conditions. Its powerful Tier IV final diesel engine provides ample power for demanding tasks, while a separate high-flow auxiliary hydraulic system enables the operation of various attachments like grapple saws, mulchers, and cutting units. The machine prioritizes operator safety with features such as full protection grids for the cab, cameras for safety-relevant areas. The Krone Big M450 is a high-capacity self-propelled mower conditioner designed for large-scale hay and forage harvesting. It boasts a 9.9-meter working width, a powerful 449 horsepower lever diesel engine, and a choice of V-type steel tines or roller conditioners for optimal forage conditioning. The Big M450 features a heavy-duty cutter bar with safe cut blade protection and a hydrostatic drive with stepless speed control for efficient operation. The cab offers a comfortable and safe working environment for the operator and advanced technology options like GPS guidance and section control. The Damcon KLR 3200 is a heavy-duty tree transplanter designed for efficiently relocating large trees while preserving their root systems. It is capable of handling root balls with a diameter of up to 320 centimeters and a depth of up to 140 centimeters, making it ideal for mature trees with substantial root structures. The machine can manage trees with trunk diameters up to 50 centimeters and weighs approximately 4,500 kilograms. Depending on conditions, it can transplant approximately 5 to 25 trees per day. The KLR 3200 forms an ideal root ball that maximizes root retention while minimizing weight. The PELLENC Optimum XXL80 is a versatile electric carrier vehicle designed for various agricultural tasks, including harvesting, pruning, and spraying. Powered by a high-capacity lithium battery, it offers a working width of up to 8 meters and a speed of up to 8 kilometers for pruning and 3 kilometers per hour for harvesting. The XXL80 is equipped with advanced technology for precise and efficient operations, and its ergonomic design ensures operator comfort. Its zero-emission electric powertrain makes it an eco-friendly choice for sustainable agriculture. The XXL80 is designed for high productivity and efficiency in various agricultural applications. The ASA-LIFT TC1010E is a trailed cabbage harvester designed for efficient harvesting of both fresh and industrial cabbage. Key specifications include dimensions of 8,950 mm in length, 2,980 mm in width, and 3,600 mm in height, with an empty weight of 3,970 kg. The machine features a unique intake unit to remove loose leaves, and a hydraulically adjustable center section, an elevator head for optimal operation. Speed adjustments are available for the cross-conveyor deflection roller, picking table, and deflection roller, allowing for customized harvesting. The ROPASittelsdorf RK22 is a high-performance potato harvester, renowned for its efficiency and advanced technology. It boasts a fully hydraulic drive system, allowing for stepless speed adjustment and optimal performance. Key features include a twin clean system for improved cleaning efficiency, hydraulic depth control for precise digging, and a telescopic axle for stability and maneuverability. The harvester's large bunker capacity, advanced cleaning system, and ergonomic design contribute to efficient and comfortable operation. For the most accurate and up-to-date specifications, it is recommended to consult the official ROPA website or a local dealer. The Argyle's APLT is a towed, two-row fruit harvester designed for efficient ground-level fruit harvesting. It utilizes a brush system to collect fruits, like apples, pears, oranges, and more, separating them from debris through a central conveyor and screening process. The machine can harvest up to 6,000 kg per hour and features an integrated trailer for increased autonomy and pallet capacity. Its articulated steering and 13 hydraulic movements enhance maneuverability and operation. By minimizing fruit damage and increasing efficiency, the APLT offers a solution for reducing labor costs and improving overall harvesting productivity, making it a valuable tool for modern fruit farming. The KUHN Altus 2 is a high-performance mounted sprayer designed for precise and efficient crop protection. It offers a range of tank capacities from 2,000 liters and boom widths from 28 meters. With its lightweight design, suspension system, and 3D boom suspension, the Altus 2 ensures optimal stability and maneuverability. The sprayer's intuitive controls, GPS guidance, and automatic boom section control enhance operator comfort and efficiency. The Altus 2 is built for durability and easy maintenance, making it a reliable choice for farmers. With its advanced features and robust construction, the Tigercat 1185 is a powerful and versatile wheel harvester designed for high production applications. Equipped with a 308 horsepower Tier 4F engine, it delivers ample power to handle demanding tasks. The machine boasts a maximum reach of 8.9 meters and a lift capacity of 2,680 kg, enabling it to efficiently process large trees. The spacious and ergonomic cab, equipped with advanced controls and a clear view, prioritizes operator comfort and safety. The Tigercat 1185 is built to withstand tough conditions, with robust construction and durable components ensuring long-lasting. The ZW2507 is a powerful and efficient wheel loader designed for demanding applications. Equipped with a 252 horsepower engine, it delivers ample power to handle heavy-duty tasks. The machine's operating weight ranges from 20,400 to 20,830 kg, and it offers a bucket capacity of 2.8 to 5.0 cubic meters, enabling efficient material handling. The spacious and ergonomic cab, advanced control systems, and excellent visibility prioritize operator comfort and safety. The ZW2507 is built to withstand tough conditions with robust construction and durable components, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. The Jekko JF235 is a compact and versatile, articulated crawler crane, ideal for working in tight spaces, with a lifting capacity of up to 6,150 kilograms and a maximum working height of 25 meters. It offers impressive performance. Its unique articulating boom system allows for precise positioning and a wide working range. The JF235 is powered by a diesel engine and an electric motor, offering flexibility and efficiency. A spacious and ergonomic cab, advanced control systems, and a variety of optional attachments further enhance its versatility and operator comfort. Its compact dimensions and ability to navigate challenging terrains. The XCMG 130 is a powerful rough terrain crane capable of lifting up to 130 tons. Its main boom extends from 12.9 to 50 meters, providing flexibility for various lifting tasks. The crane's robust construction and advanced hydraulic systems ensure efficient and reliable performance. Its four-wheel drive system and versatile steering modes offer excellent maneuverability in challenging terrains. The spacious and ergonomic cab provides a comfortable working environment, while advanced control systems ensure precise and safe operation. The crane's compact design and ease of transportation make it suitable. The Komatsu WA475 is a powerful wheel loader designed for demanding applications. Equipped with a 291 horsepower engine, it delivers ample power for heavy-duty tasks. The machine operating weight ranges from 30,070 kilograms, and it offers a bucket capacity of 5.5 cubic meters, enabling efficient material handling. The spacious and ergonomic cab, advanced control systems, and excellent visibility prioritize operator comfort and safety. The WA475100 is built to withstand tough conditions, with robust construction and durable components ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability.